You're here at Biddulph Classic Car show on Biddulph, Stoke-on-Trent. Still learning how to use this gimbal, so you'll have to bear with me. That's Citroen.
That was the reason this project was started.
I like that. I like the colour as well. Something about them cars I like. I like that for an Audi as well.
Well, that's stuff,
The Cooper Sports. Very nice. I like these big jacks. Aussie. Jaguar. So 4i. GR Yaris, this will be my next car, I think.
When we get married,
Oh no!
right, I'm not taking in the building.
You're not getting in the building. You're ready to suspension.
Brooklyn's Capri.
Mark can get in it, I can get in it. Where is he?
What's it,
He's always in
810?
there, is he?
835 pickup. I've got my beast. It's leaking. XRS.
That was message not on there, it's not on the box. Be like the one where we're going.
I like this Fiesta. Lovely that is. But I like this Mini, not colour as much. That colour's lovely. What do you think to that? Nice, isn't it?
Oh, the owner.
But these Focuses were limited edition. Yeah, Focus Millennium. They were limited. It's not 600.
Oh, yeah.
There's not normally, no, they're normally just on there.
They're over 600. Nice full door like mine, Mark 2. Big roller. Ooh, something modern. Nice drive home for in the rain.
Yeah. Yeah, get wet.
Yeah, well, bottom.
Who cares?
Who cares, exactly.
You're only on this planet once, mate.
Absolutely.
Live it.
Yeah, definitely. Very nice.
Right,
Perfect.
it's 45-year-old.
Yeah. Old as me. Got a
He's
Pinto
83.
engine. 83?
Yeah. 83-year-old he is.
Fantastic.
I've got another one in my lorry, but I couldn't be bothered to get it out.
So is it like a grass track car or an oval car?
It's an oval circuit.
Circuit car. Very good.
Yeah. 186 brake horsepower underneath there.
Good for a Pinto, that, isn't it? I've got an Mark 1 Escort with a Pinto in, but that's only about 140 horsepower.
It's 186. The car only weighs 622 kilos.
Well, there it goes.
I'm the second heaviest thing in the car, and I'm only 11.5 stone.
Very good.
She does just under 100 mile an hour in second.
Seconds.
Yeah.
So is it a 2-speed
Yeah.
box? Right.
It's GT, I know you should know this.
Go on.
It's what they call a GT rocket box
Yeah.
Escort.
Escort, yeah. It's like a Type E rocket box.
Yeah,
Like, yeah.
but it's got the bigger teeth,
Yes.
so she accelerates
Yeah.
absolutely like a lunatic.
I bet.
She will snap your neck if you ain't careful. You've got to make sure you're back when you're letting her go.
Fantastic.
She will bust you. Then by Christ, when she goes around the corner, mate, if you don't listen to her, she'll have you. She'll bite your ass. Because these cars talk to you.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
They talk to you
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah.
through that seat.
Yeah.
I can feel everything that she's doing through that seat, and I know exactly where I'm pushing her too hard.
Yeah.
And she'll let me know. She'll say, nah, you just back off just that little tiny bit, because otherwise I'm going to bite your ass. And I'll have you facing the wrong way.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Caught me once or twice.
I bet.
Yeah, I pushed her a bit hard, and she said, no, I'm not having this. Let's
Spat
face the other way.
Spat yells.
You can face the traffic now.
I bet.
Oh dear. That's scary.
It's lovely, mate. It's
So when she says to me now, just back me off,
You do.
let me come out,
You listen.
and I'll just back her off.
Yeah.
She tells me.
Lovely, mate.
I know I'm not locking up, but hey, I listen to her.
No, mate. It's
The
fantastic.
only woman I'll ever listen to.
Thanks, man. That's interesting. Love people like that. Proper stories to tell, haven't they? Modern stuff. This has got speakers in it. Saw this at Castle Classics. See this Mini, don't we, a bit? It's good yard and that. Nice prefect as well. Slightly pulled 100E, but 4 doors. A few up here to have a look at, including this.
I don't know, but I'm here till 5 o'clock.
Some kind of apocalyptic survival car.
Sharp edges. So it's like as long as you. But if there is like with these. Thank you.
Two old codgers on tour. Bread Van Polo. I was listening to Bread Van. It was a saloon. Used to call it the Shanghai don't know why.
I think it was.
Kept breaking down. I
He
know
says
that
he was
much.
in his camper then.
They are like this one up here.
Yeah, it's bright yellow wood.
Ours was a red and maroon one.
This big car, just along
Always breaking down. But fun. Eh? Oh, it had a hard life. Not by us. We bought it. I think we gave 20 quid for it. This back in the days where you could put 3 quid's worth of fuel in and go out for the evening.
yeah.
Impressive engine. I don't think it's real. MR2, it's got to be. It's got to be an MR2.
Look at the wheels on that. Yeah. You want to stand in front of this one and get your picture? Turn around.
Have you heard that story about
Yeah. And there's another F40. See what it's actually going.
As long as it doesn't start with engine.
Yeah, M2. Or Fiera. Could be a Fiera. Now, Ken, this one doesn't look quite right. Ferrari replica alley. Yeah, this doesn't have the right proportions. MR2. Paul would love these. It's his favourite cars. Yeah. Yep. Hey, Jack.
See you later. Yes, sorry.
Mustang.
You moving down the line with her? Because I needn't bother if you are.
It's Mitsubishi again.
I could do with a bit of that.
Wolf race slot bags on. What's in it? It's like a Beetle engine. Yeah. Beetle engine. Volkswagen based. Right, there we go. Oh, and it's Mustang, is it? Maybe it isn't.
I know, it's on train for
Rodney and Barbara's Pontiac 5 years. Pontiac.
Really, that's like 64.
Yeah.
Starting again. V8. Probably a Rover V8 that will. Very nice. That's an Interceptor. No.
Not bad again. Yeah, no.
Is it an orange? Is it 87? Yeah.
It's still a Citroen now. The engine. Another Interceptor. Favourite cars, the Mini. That white one is my favourite. Where's one get brewed from? Up there.
Towards the father's places where I don't know where they take away one. Well,
Take away there.
She wants to do it with you.
Oh, come on, let's go. You want to look inside? I know.
Yeah. Why don't we turn it over?
There's even more here. Look at all these tractors. Wow, two transits. I like how it says Porsche Enthusiast Club. That's where the tractors around it. That's nice as well, isn't it? It's like a Mark III. Later one, what year? It's like 80s. No, that's what I thought. Oh, it's a late one, it's an 89. Very nice. Let's have a look at these tractors then.
Well, are the Porsche tractors?
Well, that's what I thought. Independent Porsche Enthusiast Club. And it's just oh, there's a Porsche over there. There you go. I think these have got the right character to these things. Lovely. Right. Better enjoy the show rather than recording. Thanks for watching.